Hello everyone, today we are going to show you what's inside of our factory.
From day one, Sollant was built on ambition. We started as innovators that quickly grew into the global exporter. Now we are raising the bar with a completely transformed headquarters and manufacturing center. We are not just upgrading a factory, we are building the future. Welcome to Sollant 2.0. Here you can see our integrated air compressor system. This is our compressor, our air tank, then the air dryer and the line filter. Here you can see our global clients who have been visited our factory before and also has been participated in our exhibition. If you are looking for a reliable and high energy efficient air compressor system, then Shanghai Sollant is your best choice. This is Nizam. Feel free to contact me anytime for more detail.